Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video I'm going to set up our Emlid Reach base on Emlid Caster using a hard line to the internet. I'll be using a USB cable to provide both power and our serial connection stream, but this can also be set up using the extension port or a combination of both USB and extension ports. You can power your Reach base on and off using the extension port, but our setup will suffice since we plan on letting the base run continuously. Since there isn't a native solution to wire an internet connection to Emlid's receivers, we'll incorporate some free software known as the Simple NTRIP Caster, or SNIP. To download this software, we'll just need to add the software to our cart and fill out the required fields to receive our download link in our email. Once we've downloaded and extracted the zip file, we can run the setup program. We'll follow the setup instructions in the installer, then launch the program. Once the software is up and running, we can run it in an evaluation mode for up to an hour at a time, or register for a free light license that will be sufficient to run our base continuously for our current configuration. To register for that light license, click on Help, then Registration, and follow the steps of the registration wizard. Since we're limited to 3 streams on the free license, I'm just going to clear out all of the demo streams in the Relay Streams tab. To delete these streams, just right-click and select Remove. With the RS2 plugged in via USB, I'm going to open up the device manager and check the COM port that is associated with my RS2. It seems that it's not recognizing the serial stream on my machine, so I'm going to update the driver and choose ports, COM and LPT from the list. Then select USB serial device and confirm the change. We can now see our receiver is on COM 3. Now in SNIP, we will add a serial stream and select our receiver on COM 3 and match the baud rate set in our receiver. Then we will name this stream and configure the mount point. We have several settings that we can customize in this window, or we can leave everything on auto detect with parse and select OK to move on. I'm going to skip adding startup and shutdown commands and complete the configuration of our serial stream. With the stream ready, we can right-click and connect to start the data stream. Looks good there. As we can see, the data is starting to come into SNIP. Now we'll add a new stream, this time a pushed out stream to Emlid Caster, so we can simplify anonymizing our IP address instead of configuring proxy addresses and the like within SNIP. I'll select our serial stream as our data source and output to caster.emlid.com. And fill in the rest of the credentials using our Caster mount point credentials. See our video on setting up Emlid Caster if you need any help there. Now we have our second stream configured, pushing out our base to Emlid Caster, and we can see our mount point is online. We're now good to go. Our mount point is live. We can connect our network rover to it using our rover credentials in Caster. After we've logged data for around 20 hours with our base, we will process our base location through Opus and set that solution as our base point, with 0 set as our base pole height. See our video on processing through Opus if you need any help there. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.